controversial opinion.
Like,
दोस्त नहीं हो सकते, ये truth है.
I don't
और वो
believe that.
दोस्त
I
कब
have-
रह
I
सकते.
crossed
But a
that
simple
boundary,
touch
right?
can feel confusing for guys. It's a fact.
really? I
Yeah.
don't think so.
My astrologer told me to wait for a couple of years, so that
We're gonna
helps.
round back.
We're gonna round back to this astrology thing. Whatever guy friends I used to have, they all started liking me at some point.
Exactly my
yeah, all of
point.
them. Very dear friend. He was like, bro, I want to marry you. I was like, what the fuck is wrong with you? ये क्या चल रहा है भाई?
As an adult, I don't think it's possible to make opposite gender friendship that well. What are you saying?
It's a lie.
It's a lie.
Why is it a lie?
It's a lie.
I did not meet
I don't want
anybody
to
in
justify
between.
the lie.
To call yourself a hyper independent woman.
That's also because of my brother's special needs. I have grown up on my own, and it was cute.
I was telling Shreya the same thing. I feel like I've been dating the same people in different forms.
What are the 3 things that you would definitely want in a partner?
Bicep, bicep, and biceps.
And let's go back to our exes.
Oh my god.
You should never go back to your exes,
I
Savi.
I'm sure you're proud of your fat ass now.
I am.
You are, yay! My ex broke up with me in the best.
What
way
is the best
possible.
way?
During school, I used to be very conscious because I had like a fat ass. Like
Isn't that a good thing?
no, I did not know at that point of time.
School
that is
time,
sad.
bro.
I was very insecure. I used to wear very loose clothes.
Who told?
By school time पे होता था.
Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Papi. We are your hosts Shreya and Savi.
And today I have my sister and my sister-in-law
Always.
both on the episode. And we have been friends for 10 years. This year marked the 10th year of our friendship.
Yay!
I met this girl about 3-4 years ago.
Yeah.
And today we're going to do an yearly review. So I'm very excited to have people from very different walks of life sitting with me.
Yes. And before we start the episode, I would like to introduce Bharti. She's a Harvard graduate, guys. Taaliyan ho jaye. And not just that, she works in policy making research in Harvard itself. Taaliyan ho jaye. And on that note, we're going to talk a lot about friendship today.
Yes, that's our starting topic. We'll talk about a lot of things, but friendship being the first one. I have had, like, personally a very weird year this year in terms of friendship. A lot of my opinions have been changed in terms of friendship. And काफ़ी reality check मिल गया मुझे इस साल में basically.
Savi big girl बन चुकी है.
हाँ मतलब this year was truly transformational in terms of friendship at least.
Yeah.
I'm
guess.
glad actually because she carries so much of dead load all the time. So
Yeah. So what exactly has changed? We would like to know that.
I have been somebody who's extremely social. You know it. Like Shreya and my brother make so much fun of me because I have so many friends.
We call her not a social butterfly. We call her social dinosaur.
So I used to give people a lot of like attention and time and not really ever sit and think about the reciprocation. But this year taught me that it's cool to be giving, but reciprocation is definitely required. So I've cut off a lot of people that I thought I would never cut off on my own, and I'm very very happy about it.
ये जो ये on my own इसने बोला ये मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है क्योंकि इस चुड़ैल को मैंने काफ़ी समझाया है कि कैसे बाउंड्रीज बनाई जाती हैं और कैसे इतना गिविंग नहीं होना होता है. Even with us, like हम तो इसके भाई बहन हैं and you know still I told her that you don't have to say yes to everything, even with me. अब इसने काफ़ी नो बोलना शुरू कर दिया है. I don't like that, but
That's
it's
also
okay. That's okay. I'll take that. And what's your hot take on friendships?
I think for me, it has been changing for the last couple of years. I think some friends, like my core group is in India. I live in Boston now. And I'm very happy that I get to like meet them annually, which is happy and sad both because if I meet them, I can't travel anywhere in the world. So I really have a very safe space back home. Like I have 2 really good friends who are just like sisters, Savneet and Disha. And they're like, they help me get through everything, even when I'm in US, which is very, very helpful. But I think for me, when I moved in masters, you make friends from like all age groups, which is like rare. And for the first time, it happens that somebody is मम्मी है कोई पढ़ रहा है किसकी शादी हो गई है किसका कुछ हो गया है and then you meet all of these people and you're alone and it's depressing and then you count on those people first because they're immediately there to help you. But
You also
after
said you had like the most struggleful year this year in
Yes.
terms of friendship.
So after graduating, what happens is you have great friends from all around the world and they all leave after you graduate. And then you're stuck there looking for a job, you're alone. And then you have to make friends with people because
You can't be alone all the time.
yeah, and it's hard to make friends because they don't know who you are, what kind of person you are. So you are bound to have conflicts. And there was one person, especially this year, who I've found really close to me. Especially, I love women friendships now. There was a time when I was younger and like it was cool to have like boy
Guy
friends
friends.
and be like, oh, girls are bitchy and everything. But I think I've realized that women are the actual support system
100%.
that's needed. So I had somebody like that back in Boston,
Yeah.
but like I just realized that age does not really help you mature, and it gave me
तो
a
खुद
very
कैसे बता सकती है उसने क्या करा?
हाँ मतलब
हाँ,
we'll
मतलब-
all for the tea. And it's been how long that you've been in Boston?
it's been 3 years now.
3 years.
Yeah.
Okay. So usse pehle you were here and then you went to Boston. And
Yeah.
what, like, do you think when people say adult friendships are really hard,
Yeah.
to make or sustain, do you think it's true?
100%.
100%?
Because I
Okay.
think you can't explain yourself to people. And like for example, Savi has seen me in school. She knows my parents. She knows my brother. She knows my struggles. She knows everything. So even if I do something good or bad, I know she can handle it because she knows who I am. As
It's easy to
like,
predict somebody's behavior or how they would be
Yeah.
feeling about a certain thing because you've known them
Like,
throughout
or
the years.
Yeah.
Yeah, basically you've been there even when they were transforming into a new
Exactly.
person. So you were there through the transitions as well.
And you understand the reasons for doing specific things that a lot of people might not have judged them for, but because you know why they're doing it, because you understand so many years of whatever
Yeah.
they've gone through.
So when it comes to friendships for me, I think I made the best of friends when I was in college. मेरा college ही 5.5 साल का था. I did MBBS in Dehradun. I think I made the best of friends when I was there. I had a huge group because I was a very extroverted girl. इतनी energy, अभी भी मेरे में बहुत energy है. But उस वक्त तो एक अलग ही level
But
पे
I'm
energy होती थी.
extroverted तो नहीं हूँ, I think.
अब नहीं हूँ. Now see.
Yeah.
She knows me since 2.5 years. Now
Three and a half.
three. Like we've been really good friends for about a year now. मतलब हम बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं. Where we share.
2 साल तो कुछ शादी को गए हैं.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
हो
आपके
जाती है
साथ
भाई
ही,
ये.
2 साल मतलब ठीक है. मतलब हम 2 साल हो चुके हैं एक दूसरे के साथ. Now she can. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे behaviors ये अब judge कर सकती है. ये श्रेया ऐसे react करेगी, वैसे react करेगी. That's because we literally live in the same house.
Yeah.
है ना? We are always around each other. And I think in the past 2 years, whatever I have transformed into, she has seen it. Like she's
Yeah.
been there. There's so many people from my a lot of people from my college who are like such good friends. They cannot recognize me now. Like I have changed so much over time that मतलब मेरे अगर पुराने दोस्तों को जो कॉलेज वाले उनको साथ बिठाओ एंड जो मेरे अब के दोस्त हैं एंड somehow मेरी adult friendships मेरे को भी प्रॉब्लम आई है in making
सबको
friends
आती है.
as
I think
an
that's a
adult.
very common theme that
But
everybody
I
relates
think
to.
I did make a lot of new friends also as an adult. Yeah, like it was a task. But I think I did pretty good.
But I think adult friendships are also meant to serve a different purpose, I feel. As opposed to like, for example,
What do you
I
think
would-
like there's a difference between the purpose of an adult friendship and versus what-
Because I feel the struggle that I have, say for example, job hunting. I don't think people back home or even you would feel bad for me, but you
Yeah.
would not understand.
Understand exactly.
And like for example, like if you're starting DJing and you
Yeah.
meet people who are doing the same thing,
Yes.
how much ever you explain, of course you'd love to explain to them, but it just gets easier
because they're not there.
and they're with
Yeah.
you. And you also need like in-person presence to like for people to like enjoy that with you. So I think
Yeah.
it's tough, but I think it's a good thing as well
So
because
2-3 of my friends, they've
Yeah.
literally seen me bloom into this new person, and they were मतलब उन्होंने I think सब कुछ देखा है, सब कुछ ऐसे बदलते हुए कि from
College
a
to,
person
like-
who used to just be a doctor and just go to the hospital, they've seen that to the point where I was like, no, I'm meant to do more things. सिर्फ डॉक्टरी से मतलब
Yeah.
मेरे को थोड़ा even though I was a doctor, I felt a little bit of an identity crisis at that time also कि this is
सिर्फ
not
ये
it.
नहीं हो सकता.
कि सिर्फ ये नहीं है, there is more to it. And then at that time I had my college friends with me, so they've seen me in every step of my life changing, blossoming. So I think I'm very blessed like that कि वो कुछ there've been few people who've been consistently there.
Yeah.
So yeah, in terms of friendship, I think I've been very lucky. Also, I would like to say that I don't know about others, but my husband is also my best friend. I think this year Sahil and I have become really good friends. Like really, touch wood. We become very good. तो ऐसे जब पहले होता था ना कि हम अपनी फ्रेंड्स की लिस्ट में मैं अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड्स के बारे में बोला करती थी, बट अब मैं साहिल को भी उसमें ऐड करती हूँ. हाँ, साहिल भी मेरा बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा दोस्त है.
Fair. Now that we're talking about like opposite gender friendships, like
Yeah.
you said women friendships in adulthood become better.
yeah.
Just like why did you say that? Like
I really feel that with women you can be comfortable
Yeah.
completely. And I also feel that if you have guy friends, okay, now controversial opinion, I will
with her, whatever she's gonna say. I think
I will never date a guy who has close girlfriends. On the other hand, I have guy friends जिनकी मैं close girlfriend type
तो ये क्या
होंगी.
hypocrisy हुई?
But I think the hypocrisy is not there in my case because A, I maintain so much boundary कि मैं नहीं cross करती, and
I think that's what you should do in a friendship.
but I don't want to even use my brain to like figure out like if that boundary is there, not there. I also feel like I can be the girlfriend for that guy who I'm dating, and he can have his guy friends for his own thing. So I don't think he needs a emotional and like I don't know sort of coddling from some woman
So
outside.
you're saying that friendship can only exist if it's same gender,
No, I feel that
or close friendship can only
एक
exist.
लड़का और
Wait,
लड़की दोस्त नहीं हो सकते, ये truth है.
I don't
और वो
believe that.
दोस्त
I
तब
have-
रह
I-
सकते हैं जब आपकी boundaries.
person who would not believe this.
But I actually have great guy friends, and you've seen them.
Controversial opinion.
Like all of like I have a lot of
somehow-
close guy friends, and they're all dating. It's not even like they're single.
But you never know if their girlfriends have a problem.
They don't issue, and I generally have great friendships with those men emotionally also,
I have great guy friends, but
and I
I
have great
feel
girlfriends too, of course.
I feel that with guy friends you have to be extremely careful. Like you cannot cross boundaries even like as a joke.
But
even
you
if it's
wouldn't do if you're not interested in somebody romantically. You anyway wouldn't cross.
but a
that
simple
boundary,
touch
right?
can feel confusing for guys. It's a fact.
Really? Oh.
Really? I
Yeah.
don't think so.
It depends on the kind of exposure they've had.
Exactly, it depends. So you have to
So-
be careful with the kind of people you're becoming friends with. But that
But you
goes
never
for
know till
women
the time you
also.
become friends.
So I think I've been very blessed this way. So all my guy friends are Sahil's friends. Whatever guy friends I used to have, they all started liking me at some point. So I was
Exactly
like,
my
yeah, all of
point.
them. Matlab, I broke up with my ex. The day I broke up with my ex, my very, very dear friend, he was like, bro, I want to marry you. I was like, what the fuck is wrong with you? ये क्या चल रहा है भाई? ये कैसे होता है? So
तो
I've
वो
been
boundary
there.
up, for example,
भाई मैं तो बहुत अच्छी बाउंड्री रखती
हाँ,
थी.
मैं
मैं तो
वही
उसको
बोल रही
I
हूँ.
used to treat him like a brother only. अब इससे ज़्यादा मुझे नहीं पता क्या
आप
करना
कितना ही
होता है.
बड़ा ट्रीट कर लो एक दिन आता है
हाँ.
कि लोग बोल सकते हैं. That's what I'm saying. Like for example, you can never be sure. With like with women friends also you can
मतलब
never be
Exactly,
sure.
with women friends also you can never be sure.
But at least none of my
I'm-
close friends are like bi, so it helps me to be
Yeah,
sure.
I mean, I'm just saying you can never be sure.
You can't. No, in this age
Yeah.
and time, you
Yeah.
can't be sure.
Exactly. So
Yes.
I don't know.
So, in terms of male friends, yes, all of my male friends at some
Like I
point
love
in-
women friendships, of course.
So how do you truly be friends with them if they've had like romantic feelings? For
Of course, then
But
you
only
can't.
friendship-
And I
then
don't
you
want
That's what
to
I'm
be,
saying.
that I don't want. I don't.
But
think
there
Then
can
the
be
friendship
people-
ends.
Yeah.
But
of
then
course
there
it
can be
does.
people who will
Just
never
im-
have romantic feelings for you.
Just imagine.
Savneet's fighting for one person to make her case.
Oh my god. No,
So-
no
so
I have 4
At this
5
point, I would like to tell everybody. So she is one of those girls who is surrounded by really good men. I would like to say that because yeah, I know them. They're my friends also.
But I would want to add, I think it really changes if you have been friends with these people since like a very long time. Then yes,
Maybe.
as an adult, I don't think it's possible to make opposite gender friendship that well. फिर नहीं हो
I
पाता.
think for
like a
me-
new person, I don't think I would be able to like be that comfortable. But since I've known these people since school, college time,
Yeah.
it gets easier because you're literally kids and you're literally growing and developing at the time, and you have a lot of things to talk about.
Maybe.
If I meet a new guy, I am with them. I cannot make friends with that guy.
Okay, another
Cool.
controversial opinion.
Yeah.
I feel that it's possible when the guy is not like very good looking.
That's not a controversial opinion. That's fine because you never. But then you can't guarantee if they won't be attracted.
No,
to you.
by good looking is it's subjective. So if they're not attractive to me, then I can be friends with them. It's very easy for me.
But
But they will
attraction
be
develops over time.
but
Do you want me to take
वो
names?
टूट जाएगी.
But मैं इस point पे एक चीज बोलना चाहूँगी. All the girls who've been like little tomboyish, they have had great friendships, you know, with guys because that's an observation I have made. Yeah. क्योंकि फिर वो उनको वो hot ही नहीं लगे कभी तो वो दोस्त वो वाली चीज ही नहीं आई कभी.
अंजलि भी फाइनली शादी तो करा ना उसने.
हाँ मतलब but
वो
मैं
एक
ऐसे बता
फेज
रही हूँ.
होता है बस वो टॉम बॉय का फिर वो निकल ही जाते हैं उसके बाद.
ठीक है
नहीं,
मम्मी से बात कर दी है इसने बिल्कुल भी it's just a
नहीं,
phase
bro.
babe.
नहीं
He'll go
यार,
away.
till now like I know I will obviously not name people but
Yeah.
there are some
I want your
Name.
can't name that.
ऐसे कटवा देंगे मुझे बता दो.
So I think we talked about friendships quite a bit. and I
Let's
would
move on
like
to
steer-
relationships.
Yeah, relationships. Yay.
The early
Start
review.
with the Savi.
We'll start with me only, of course. This year has been transformational in terms of relationship also.
Oh.
I think I fell in love and out of love within a span of 6 months, which is a huge progress that I made from. I took 3 years
पर
last
तू
time.
लास्ट एक साल से डेट ही नहीं कर रही थी. ये कैसे
She's
हो
just
गया?
being a bitch.
She was supposed to take a break, like a good break,
I did take a break.
for 2 months. Maybe.
Hello, I took a way longer break than 2
Three-
months.
3-4 months.
I took a break for a year almost. What are you saying?
It's a lie.
It's a lie.
Why is it a lie?
It's a lie.
I did not meet
I don't want
anybody
to
in
justify
between.
the lie, but
It's a lie.
Just Does meeting once count? I don't think it does. Meeting once doesn't count.
भाई
Meeting once?
हाँ once ही तो एक साल के पीछे तो एक ही बार आओ एक ही बार मिली हूँ भाई मैं.
अच्छा,
okay Bharti, about your what's your relationship status right now?
I'm a career-oriented woman, and I'm busy making money
That's true.
and chasing my ambition. But on a serious note, I feel that I have been single for quite some time now, and I really enjoy it. I sleep peacefully. बिल्कुल good morning, good night, कुछ नहीं है, कोई लड़ाई नहीं होती, and it's like super super nice. But I feel that is also making me very aversive to
True.
like
ये
talking
तो
to
हो
people
रहा है.
and
This
being
happens.
open to people.
You get so comfortable in your
Would
isolation.
you like to call yourself a hyper independent woman?
I am for like
You
multiple
are?
reasons. That's also because of my brother's special needs.
Okay.
So I have grown up on my own, and that's why after my like major relationship breakup and everything, I just realized that I know exactly what I want. And it's not like a checklist or anything, but there are like couple of emotional things that I want in a partner. I feel I myself am not there yet, given that I don't have the time and effort and energy to put in someone else, because most of my time is taken by work. I've invested so much in my degree. I need to figure out where I'll settle down. So ये सब चीज़ों के चक्कर में I don't think I have the headspace. Plus my astrologer told me to wait for a couple of years. So
I also feel like being single really helps, like in general, because you have too much time to spend with yourself.
True.
And but I find a little flaw in that. The thing is, like when you guys don't believe, but I was, even if okay, I in and out of meeting somebody, whatever, right? But most of the time I was alone only. You've seen me, like I was not going out, I was not seeing anybody, I was just whatever. It just made me realize that you get so comfortable by being in yourself that it gets so hard to even talk to the other person, which is exactly what happened in these 6 months. I had gotten so comfortable. Of course, this person was also overly whatever, but I needed so much space. Like I now need so much space that anything like crossing that boundary feels like I'm getting suffocated. You know?
that could also
And I
be
feel like that's a
from
very
past
healthy-
relationships.
I agree.
That
Haan,
could-
matlab
Yeah.
could be. I think, which is now I promise I'm going to take 1 year break.
now it's been
So-
recorded, it's going to come out in the podcast, so you guys will know whether she's on
No,
or
because
not
I'll
or
be
not.
very busy with work now, so I'll make money.
All right. Coming to relationships, I am, touchwood, very happily married. Like I said, my husband
I'd hope.
is my best friend, and we've been together for about 2 years. हमारी शादी को 2 साल हो चुके हैं, and before getting married, we dated for about 5.5 years. And I would not call myself or Sahil an easy person to be with, but at this point, I would also like to say that. We
But I
live
think
in
you
a-
guys together make a great pair. Like both of you
Yeah.
are difficult people, but both of your difficulties come in very like compatible ways.
compatible
Yeah.
ways. Yeah, so I think, and also since we don't live, on our own, we live in a joint family. Like Savi is there, then our parents are there. I never really thought of being in a joint family ever, but I think I would like to definitely tell all the people who are about to get married or would want to get married in the foreseeable future, it's very important to also have a really great bond with your partner's parents, and vice versa. Like they should have a great bond with like my parents. So that's really important to have a very happy, and I would say मतलब घर का माहौल अच्छा होना चाहिए. That's very important for the existing relationship to bloom further.
And if you feel like that's not possible, then
Then you should
it's always
definitely,
better to live separately.
separately. So I was like when we had just gotten married, I was a little unsure because obviously I'm coming into a new house. I am going to live with a new set of parents. So of course there were a little apprehensions, but I think it's been 2 years, and again, touch wood, I think I have found the perfect spot in this house. So yeah, that's there.
तो श्रेया आप जैसे अभी बता रहे थे कि लाइक हम तीनों में से तो आप ही बस शादी करी है और हमको थोड़ा शादी करने से पहले सोचना ही पड़ता है आज के टाइम पे. एंड ऑनेस्टली आई डोंट माइंड लिविंग विद पेरेंट्स, एंड आई प्रॉब्ली वांट टू लिव विद पेरेंट्स, ताकि कभी मैं भी वो केस बना पाऊँ कि मेरे पेरेंट्स मेरे साथ रहे. नॉट लाइक इट्स रिक्वायर्ड बट स्टिल
Oh.
because
Logical
it's a give and
thinking.
take, I feel. So in that way, what do you think is like, how has it changed for you to build that relationship with your parents? Like, did you have to do something differently? I know Savi's house, they're very chill people, but like, is there some effort that you put? Like, how is it for you, for example,
Okay,
to do that?
I think again, I'm definitely going to be, मैं बस मेरे को नज़र मत लगाना guys. But I would definitely like to point out the privilege that I have got here.
Yeah.
Very supportive. I think Savi and Sahil's parents and my parents all, they're very, very supportive. I don't, they are, मतलब जैसे,
They're the best parents.
yeah, they
And I don't
are,
mean in a cliche way.
they are very, very open to new things. Like they try and understand a whole different point of view that I have tried to give them. Savi's mom is very a very easy person to gel with and become friends with. I would rather say that. जैसे होता है ना कि जैसे मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे कुछ चीज़ें समझा के एक नए घर में भेजा था कि इतना मतलब don't be too much of yourself. That's what my parents taught me. But I thought I don't want to pretend. The day I came here and I knew that this is where I'm going to get married, I tried to be as raw, as real as I could be. But since I can be too much, which I also know, so I did that, in bits and pieces. But at every point, I kind of, gave them the true picture of who I am. Because if you enter a new place and you give a different picture about yourself, I feel that
The
there will
expectations,
come a point where you will get tired and you will exhaust yourself from being a version of yourself that's not really true. So
And there will be expectation that you can't fulfill.
that I won't be able to fulfill, and I think that creates a lot of bitterness. Like that's my opinion. So what I did was I tried to be myself, like completely. In थोड़ा थोड़ा धीरे धीरे करके, ताकि उनको भी ऐसे लगे, oh my god, we don't like her, but yeah, ऐसे कि okay, this is too much. So everything, like I took baby steps. Like
yeah,
yeah.
it depends. I mean, like for me, I think I wouldn't have mind living with somebody's parents, but now knowing my parents, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि मैं कहीं पे जाके adjust नहीं कर पाऊंगी, because I know I have a lot of friends again and whatever I've seen chill households also, but the kind of understanding that this household has, like again, very privileged in that sense at least. Nobody understands. The thing is, even if they don't understand, they will not try to tell you कि ये मत करो. They'll be like, हमें नहीं समझ आ रहा. But of course, like they understand, they've become adults, and you can still choose to do your own way and own things. And I think a lot of households don't have that, especially for girls.
Yeah, especially for example, my way of clothing did not drastically change. Ki, oh, now I'm married, now I'm supposed to dress up a certain way. Nothing like that. Or, now I'm here, I need to go to the kitchen and I have to make food for anybody. Nothing of that sort was expected out of me. So again, I would say, and मुझे नहीं पता बाकी लोगों के घर में कैसा होता है कि
यार I feel like जो वो लोग बोलते हैं ना, नहीं होता थोड़ा बहुत सबके घर में थोड़ा बहुत हर जगह होता है, but थोड़ा भाई as an obligation नहीं होता है, थोड़ा बहुत हम अपने हिसाब से करो, but as an obligation,
I believe all of this is a result of like training of the kids. For example, like
maybe, but we didn't really.
जितना मैंने upfront रही हूँ since childhood with my father, like I don't think he never had sisters, so he does not know like how women actually are, all 4 brothers, and he always had like he did not have a problem with like me being myself, because he's been the most supportive person. But given the environment, security, वो सब देख के कपड़े वपड़े वो सब चीज़ों के लिए होती थी चिक, but like
थोड़ी बहुत तो होती है, but not in a way that they would deem.
No, but it was never with the intent of like you don't wear those clothes, but it was just because you can't trust the society and you're too scared and they can't be there to protect you. But I think as soon as I realize that I can take care of myself and I know where to dress, how to dress, and I can, तब तक तो सब chill हो गया. But अगर आप वो friction पहले नहीं करते और मैं अगर मान गई
friction होती है, and I would like to give a lot of credit to Sahil also for that, my brother. He actually did a lot of friction playing with my parents that तो मुझे करनी नहीं पड़ी.
Exactly. I think Sahil took the burden. जो
होता है
बड़ा बच्चा होता है उसको करना पड़ता है. जैसे मैंने भी अपने पेरेंट्स को बहुत सारी चीज़ें समझाई हैं. So I know कि मेरा भाई है, the day he is going to get married, I know that girl is going to be very happy if they plan on staying with my parents, because मैंने अपने parents की training करी है भाई.
That's what I'm saying. We train our parents to be ready for like
ऐसा नहीं है कि
daughter-in-laws and like son-in-laws.
I think that only happens in a house that has a daughter.
Yes.
Not always.
I've seen that, मतलब personal opinion.
ये एक observation है जो मैंने भी मनाई है, like जिस भी घर में एक बेटी होती है, एक लड़की होती है, तो उनके parents थोड़े से.
But I think in this generation, yes, but not our parents' generation, because then, like for example, the idea of passing on the trauma of like how I have been.
अभी की बात कर रहे हैं bro.
अभी तो yes, अभी तो yes, but like
there are like 2 boys in a household, you would still
but
struggle a
we're also
lot.
in a very privileged setting.
हाँ वो तो है.
तो इसमें अगर हमें नहीं दिख रहा है, for example, it cannot be like a generalizable thought.
हाँ, this is we're talking about the top 5-6% of India's population.
Yeah, I think मतलब जिस घर में मैं हूँ, I don't think ऐसा घर सिर्फ 1% लोगों को मिलता होगा. मतलब
1% तो शायद ज़्यादा हो गया.
हाँ,
5-6%.
5-6% लोगों को मिलता होगा हाँ.
That's just because our population is too much. But okay. Okay, I think हमने बहुत serious बातें कर ली हैं.
Yeah.
Let's go back to some juicy things and let's go back to our exes.
Oh my god.
You should
I
never
would-
go back to your exes,
I
Savi.
Never go first of all.
I
never
learned
go
it the
back.
hard way
Yeah.
by practical things. Anyway, so I would like to ask you, our
Okay.
guest, why did you break up? Like your last breakup?
I didn't break up. He broke up with me.
Why? Whatever.
Sad.
You wanna know the reason?
Our audience wants to know the reason.
You already know the reason, but
हाँ
like,
भाई, you know, our audience
Our
wants to
audience
know.
general
wants to know.
understanding. Mummy पापा नहीं मानेंगे. That was literally the reason. जो शायद
मम्मी
ऐसा
पापा नहीं
क्यों? मतलब
मानेंगे.
क्यों नहीं मानेंगे?
हार्वर्ड की लड़की
तो पसंद नहीं आई
बताओ.
उन्हें
तब
क्या?
मैं हार्वर्ड गई नहीं थी, but I
कोई
think
बात
still I
नहीं.
was still decent.
काफी
enough.
पोटेंशियल हमेशा से था भारतीय में,
Yeah.
तो
क्यों नहीं मानेंगे? Caste system.
कास्ट सिस्टम.
caste system that still exists.
It does
Question mark,
apparently. Like at least when I was growing up, like my parents never mentioned caste, religion. Like कुछ ज़्यादा emphasis था नहीं था मेरी इस identity पे. It was more पढ़ाई करो आगे बढ़ो.
हाँ.
But
यही
like
होता है.
मुझे थोड़ी social understanding मेरी relationship की वजह से आई कि like हम बहुत ही अलग वो privileged set में हैं जहाँ
हाँ,
पे
मैं
it doesn't really matter. They care about you, progress and everything. And my parents don't care about society. I think till the time people are still stuck in that idea of लोग क्या कहेंगे, it will still exist. Even if it's not caste, it's other things. For example,
हमारी कास्ट डाइल्यूट हो
class.
जाएगी.
कि कोई अमीर है, कोई गरीब है. I think all of those things would stay till the time you care about what other people say. So I think that was one realization. And the funny thing is कि I'm a political science student, मेरी undergrad उसमें थी. और जब breakup हुआ, उसी के just बाद, जो मेरे पेपरों के बीच में था, मैंने अम्बेडकर पे आंसर लिखा है कि how caste system is really bad उसके
She was crying.
Indian political thought
She
पे.
cried
did you
throughout the
like
paper.
mention some of your what you were
Personal
also-
experiences.
नहीं,
But
अगर
she
वो
did
करा
have
होता
like
तो फेल हो जाती शायद.
water droplets on her answer sheet.
Yeah.
But yeah, sad story.
Oh.
Juicy नहीं हो पाया, but sad हो
नहीं,
कोई
गया.
बात नहीं.
मतलब-
It's okay. Ask Shreya for a juicy question for you is what do you, according to you is the best way to break up?
So the way my ex broke up with me was the best way ever.
What the
Like हाँ मतलब मतलब उस जिस तरीके से उसने मेरे साथ ब्रेकअप करा वो काफी बढ़िया
कैसे
तरीका
क्या
था.
था? बढ़िया तरीका क्या होता है भाई?
बढ़िया तरीका देखो कोई तरीका बढ़िया तो नहीं
You
होता है.
deserve better.
हाँ,
That's the
नहीं,
worst.
उसने लिटरली वैसे ये भी बोला था कि
हर लड़का बोलता है.
पर उसने सही बोला यार. आई एक्चुअली डिड. मुझे
She got
उससे
better,
बहुत
that's
better
true.
मिला है. तो आई थिंक माय एक्स ब्रोक अप विद मी इन द लाइक द बेस्ट.
What is the best way?
He had a conversation with me first of all, like wherever. मेरे पहले से मुझे खाना वाना खिलाया अच्छे से.
He knows.
And then he told me that Shreya, even though we've dated for like 5-6 years, we have grown apart. And today we have to like, हमें admit करनी पड़ेगी ये बात कि
That's
हम-
very sweet honesty.
People don't actually
Yeah.
do that.
Usually people say such shit
Usually
about their
people
exes.
just cheat.
Yeah, usually people say such shit about their exes. I think very blessed. भाई बहुत बढ़िया.
Because
लड़का.
he was man enough to like have a conversation and
Yes,
just be like
he had a
"Edit there,
conversation
man."
with me. It took me a lot of time because we dated for like 6 years. It took me लग गया मुझे भी थोड़ा time to get over it. But I think
course,
it was
6 is a long
मतलब
time.
he did give me a closure. At that time, it did not feel like a closure at all. उसने मुझे बोला कि नहीं अब हम थोड़े दिनों बाद मिलेंगे, यहाँ मिलेंगे, वहाँ मिलेंगे. And I tried मेरे दिमाग में था I tried to save the relationship, but वो मुझे मिला ही नहीं उसके बाद.
Girls.
ठीक है. And he blocked me on Instagram and he blocked me everywhere, which is again superb.
I think that's a very good way because you're not dragging the other person with you. Like
I
अगर
Only
तुमने
if
decide
Savi is
कर
not
लिया-
best
unblocking in between and blocking and unblocking and blocking and unblocking, then it's a good way.
It is.
But I
I've
was-
learned it the hard way.
I was blocked for the moment we have that conversation. He blocked me. और मैं ऐसी थी shit मुझे पहले block करना था but okay कोई बात नहीं उससे मुझे
कोई नहीं,
पहले
आप फिर भी block कर सकते हो. It's not like
Yeah,
anyone can
नहीं
stop
I can't find the account only now ना because I'm
Oh.
blocked.
Oh, that's a good thing also वैसे.
अरे it's a very great
Yeah,
thing.
it's a
good thing,
Like
it's a good
it was done and dusted.
अगर वो आपकी
The-
chat में हो तो आप कर सकते हो. You
नहीं,
can't search,
नहीं.
look up the name.
It's okay as long as he, I don't think he's the kind of person who would unblock, so it's great. I think that's only requirement. Both the people are like unblocking, blocking.
But I think on that note, I would like to add that my ex was also a great guy. I think for me, the self-love quotient that I got was because of my ex. Because during school, I used to be very conscious because I had like a fat ass. And like I used to be like...
Isn't that a good thing?
No, I did not know at that point of time.
School
Good time, bro.
I was very insecure. I used to wear very loose clothes.
Who told?
By school time पे होता था.
यार थोड़ा
big ass
टीचर्स
beard,
इतना
like-
वो शेम
हाँ,
करते थे for your
मतलब-
body and everything. So
हमारे
it
स्कूल
was-
में तो बहुत ही होता था. उसे वैसे भी कल्चरल शॉक लगा था. वो हेरिटेज से डीएवी आई थी एक तो.
Okay.
ठीक है. उसे मतलब मेरे को दिख गया था उसकी आंखों में. I was in DAV since like 8 years I think or something.
Yeah.
And she came in 11th. And she
Okay.
came in my class. And I
Okay.
could see how troubled.
she's my only friend from school. Like
Yeah,
literally,
like I could
the
see
other
that
one was
trouble
my
in her
ex.
eyes. I was like, oh my god, she's
Yeah.
not gonna adjust here. Like,
Yeah, but like coming back to that, I think like the way he made me feel as a person, I think.
Mm-hmm.
But the worst thing was that I took that confidence from him. So the day he broke up, it also went away. So it took me
But
time
now
to
it's-
like
but now it's
regain
back,
and
like,
Now
she's
it's back.
regained.
I'm sure you're proud of your fat ass now.
I am.
You are, yay!
Yeah.
yeah.
That's
So
such
yeah,
a
अच्छा लड़का था ऐसे, पर अच्छा ब्रेकअप भी हो गया.
अच्छा
Like
ब्रेकअप भी हो गया.
तो मतलब
I
I
would say the
wouldn't-
same thing, पता है, मतलब अच्छा लड़का था, very nice, बहुत बढ़िया, but बहुत अच्छा हुआ कि ब्रेकअप हो गया.
The first one I broke up because I was going abroad and I wanted to like live my life and whatever. I was in school and मतलब मुझे लगा
Live
कि
my
मैं
life.
मैं
Debatable.
फ्लोरिडा चाह रही हूँ. मैं
मैं
मस्ती
फ्लोरिडा
करूंगी
के
जाके.
boys को
कोई
date करना
मस्ती नहीं करी.
चाहूंगी.
पता नहीं क्या कौन से as 17-year-old you don't really. I was 16 actually when I went, not even 17. So I broke up and that was my most serious relationship I think till date.
Oh, oops. That I agree. I was in school at
Not
that time.
most serious, but like I think the most nice one in some sense. Also probably because it was the first one. First ones are always special, so I think there's more to do with that.
मुझे याद भी नहीं है मेरा फर्स्ट वाला कौन था.
मतलब मेरा फर्स्ट वाला तो मैं काउंट नहीं करती. टेक्निकली ये सेकंड था जो फर्स्ट
Yeah.
बन गया. Then again I had to break up because I was coming back from Florida. So he didn't want to come back from
उसको
Florida.
मुझसे मस्ती करनी थी तो.
नहीं, but मुझे long distance नहीं करना था guys. US and India is very very far away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then the third one, my mom did not like. He was too short. So
Third one. Oh, even I did not
yeah,
like
Yeah, even
Only
Bharti
she
did not.
liked.
Liked anybody, any of her?
any of her. I had some fondness for the first one because we were in school and I knew him personally, but like थोड़ा सा long run में sustainable नहीं लग रहा था. Behavior issues थोड़े लग रहे थे. So I'm glad that it's done. But it was cute.
I was telling Shreya the same thing. I feel like I've been dating the same people in different forms,
थोड़े से
Yeah,
angry
she has
लोग date
actually
करती
been
है.
dating same people in different
which is why I need to
points.
take a break.
Yeah. Now let's come to the fourth one now.
Who was the fourth one?
That's a good question.
Yeah.
The
Who
fourth
would
one.
qualify as the fourth?
I think
यही तो है fourth.
हाँ, मतलब like
जिसका
this-
आपका common
हाँ.
नाम है.
Yeah. So fourth one was a life-changing relationship. It was
Fourth
a
one was so bad that that relationship traumatized
It was a
me
collective
also.
trauma for a lot of people. I like to say.
I would never. मैं डियर डायरी में इस ट्रॉमा के बारे में जरूर लिखती हूँ. और कोई ट्रॉमा के बारे में लिखूँ ना लिखूँ.
काफी, but I feel like that trauma, like it was the opposite for me. That trauma gave me so much strength that my self-love question and no tolerating bullshit question has increased so much that again it took me 6 months to break up right now.
And
That
you know-
changed. Like it was so much back and forth. It was so much trauma and so much like infidelity from the other side, and that I didn't know of, and just so many friendships got ruined because of that one person, and just so much like 2 years. मेरे बाल खराब हो गए यार, मेरी शक्ल खराब हो गई, सब खराब हो गया भाई मेरा. So it took me.
So it's very important for your health. That you
And
date
your
a good
hair,
person.
like my hair became
Not a good
half.
person who is good for you.
My hair became half. I lost so much weight and just.
सावी मजदूर जैसी दिखने लग गई थी basically.
हाँ मतलब बहुत ही. And then that's when I realized कि one relationship can really like. So that was.
One
and I think.
relationship can make you a मजदूर.
But मुझे ये भी लगता है कि तूने जो अगला डेट किया है ना, तो अभी भी थोड़ा सा you're still not properly healed. to
हाँ
be
भारती का
honest.
ओपिनियन ये है कि मैं प्रॉपर्ली हील नहीं थी, इसलिए I
मतलब-
dated the person I dated after that.
मतलब जो तुझे
which
ट्रॉमा
took 6
इतना
months.
मिल गया है, तो तू इतने ट्रॉमा को तू बहुत बढ़िया समझने लगी है अब कि अरे तो कितना अच्छा लड़का है क्योंकि वो इतना
हो
कम
सकता है।
गंदा ट्रीट कर रहा है
हो
तो
सकता है. But I
जबकि-
think because of my last relationship, it took me very less time to recognize the red flags that I would have probably
yeah,
ignored.
that's for sure.
से obviously ऐसे कोई चेक बॉक्स नहीं होना चाहिए, बट मैं अगर तुमसे 3 चीजें पूछूं कि ये तो मेरे पार्टनर में होनी चाहिए, तो वो क्या 3 चीजें हैं?
I feel like physical qualities count होती है.
सब कुछ मतलब whatever
Yeah.
you.
So top tip एक तो भाई हाइट. आई थिंक मैंने बहुत बार कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर लिया है और मैं दोबारा नहीं करना चाहूंगी क्योंकि एटलीस्ट लड़ाई करने के बाद हक करने का तो मन करे वापस से. ठीक है.
Okay, cool, height.
You can't laugh. Then second would be he needs to be not a people pleaser but fond of people. I have realized that after dating, like fond of people in the sense that he would get my need to be around people and also want to make friends with the people I want to be friends with and just like to be in social spaces even if he's not a social being as such. That's one
ये
thing.
जो सेकंड पॉइंट बोला है ना उसके अंदर बहुत सारे सब पॉइंट्स थे, बट ओके.
थे क्या?
नहीं नहीं आगे बोल.
नहीं हम ये चेक बॉक्स है भाई.
Third non-negotiable that I've learned is I cannot take a person who shouts even a little bit. This is what I've like. I have dated multiple people again.
I think
same.
you're consistently with angry people, which is so sad.
Yes, and I don't, because the first 2 months they're
दिल्ली
not
के लोगों
angry
को
at
date
all.
करना बंद कर दो,
हाँ,
बहुत
maybe
angry हैं।
दिल्ली के लड़के भाई.
दिल्ली के लड़के बहुत angry हैं भाई।
Like people who like say things in temper which they don't mean and then apologize later. Like, just take your time, calm your fuck down, regulate your emotional system. Like, you're 27 years old. Like, just
Oh, भाई अच्छा 27 का होना चाहिए guys।
I remember 27, 28, whatever that, because I've dated people who have been elder to me consistently. I've not dated people my age ever. So, I mean, you're elder to me. Just regulate your emotional system, man. I mean, that's 3 things that I would need.
What about you? What are the 3 things that you would definitely want in a partner?
Bicep, bicep, and biceps. Just kidding. I
But
think,
biceps, yes, one.
Yeah.
तेरे 3 ही थे भाई, रुक जा तू।
नहीं उसके लिए बोल रही हूँ, मुझे biceps का
Fair
ज़्यादा
biceps,
शौक नहीं है.
I think physically compatible ho. I don't like lean guys.
Okay.
And I want somebody who goes to the gym, so I go to the
Somebody
gym.
who has a fat ass, basically.
No, I can cover for both of us. Probably fat biceps is enough for.
Okay, so
Yeah.
biceps.
And like other than that, I think somebody who is reflected in their life. मतलब थोड़ा सोचा हो कि ठीक है क्यों हुआ पिछला ब्रेकअप, क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं जो मैं चेंज कर सकता हूँ on my
Basically,
own.
EQ थोड़ा high होना
हाँ थोड़ा हाई EQ. और तीसरा I think financially stable because I feel that मैं काफ़ी मेहनत कर रही हूँ और मैं काफ़ी अच्छे से I know I can like provide for myself and everything. तो मतलब
You should be able to do.
But I don't want to like struggle in my life. Like my parents have struggled, like where they started,
Fair.
and they really like worked very hard to give us the standard of life that we have today.
Yeah, of course.
So I think it should be like a step ahead from that now.
100%.
So that like now we can have like a comfortable life. We can like fight about other things than like.
The basic.
कौन
being
क्या
good,
करेगा?
it's okay.
But like for me, like with this point number 2 of EQ, but like more than everything else, vegetarian.
Oh
होना चाहिए.
yeah, right.
तो
That's
उस पे मेरे
yeah.
आधे से ज़्यादा लड़के चले जाते
हाँ,
हैं.
that's true. I
Yeah,
also
but,
forgot, but yes, same.
Okay.
Very important.
It's very important.
I can't because to live in a household, या तो फिर वो पूरे टाइम परेशान होगा कि तुम घर में बिल्कुल अपना खाना नहीं बना सकते, like you know. But I cannot live with somebody. I cannot have meat in my kitchen.
Yeah.
So
But I'm not even comfortable with my partner consuming meat. I don't judge people who consume, but like at least because I want my household to be like that, and I'm not vegetarian because I'm Hindu or anything. It's because of my love for animals. So मतलब वो value system match हो जाएगा क्योंकि अगर conflicting वो है कि
And
एक खाता
actually
एक
वो
नहीं खाता,
एक-
you cannot stop your kids.
Yeah.
And I think it's unfair for your kids to be confused all the time. So I think that would give me clarity and like less of conflict and me happiness. So vegetarian partner.
So after having this conversation, I'm glad that you at least know what you want in a guy.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Bharti, what do you think is a deal breaker for you in a relationship? Like just one thing you have to say. अगर ये exist हल्का सा भी करा, relationship cannot work only. Like you will not give it even a try.
Non-vegetarianism.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
And being broke.
Okay, 2 things.
Ooh.
What about you?
For me, I think after having experienced this, I realized if somebody is rude to people for no reason, especially working class people like waiters or whatever, for no reason, I see people just being very egoistic and just not treating them nicely. I think that's a huge deal breaker for
Yeah,
me.
now that you mentioned it, I think
I
for me
realized
as
after
well.
dating people like that, मुझे पता नहीं था कि मेरा है. Then I was like, what the
Which
hell
number?
is this behavior?
Which number?
I
Sorry.
don't want to say.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which number?
The fuck up.
Yeah, I think if somebody, for me, it would be if someone is cheating on me, like even
Okay.
emotionally, even emotionally.
I think emotionally is worse.
Yeah, like any sort of cheating. मतलब अगर मतलब इतना छोटा भी कि मतलब कुछ if you're speaking to somebody and you delete that message, that's for me
That's
that's
not
cheating.
छोटा, first of all.
मतलब मैं छोटा ना हो but जो भी हो मतलब that's like because I think in a relationship I am a very chill girl. Like I'm genuinely a very chill person. I don't really मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता तुम्हारी
ये हर 3 मिनट फोन चेक करने के बाद ये बोल रही है
हाँ
I'm
मैं
very chill
करती हूँ
girl.
but that I do just for my entertainment और थोड़ा बहुत ख्याल रखना चाहिए ठीक है This is like-
बिल्कुल रखना चाहिए, ये मैंने सीख लिया, बट फोन
थोड़ा
चेक
बहुत
करके
ध्यान-
रख जाए क्योंकि जिसको
देखो,
मैसेज
I-
डिलीट करने हैं वो कर देगा.
देखो ब्लाइंडली ट्रस्ट तो मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने पेरेंट्स को करती हूँ ठीक है इस पूरे जहान में मतलब सिर्फ और सिर्फ और बाकी कोई भी बंदा है कोई भी बदल सकता है मेरी फैमिली में भी ऐसा हुआ है यू नो लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स
Shit happens.
शिट हैपेंस सो आई थिंक ब्लाइंडली ट्रस्ट तो आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने पेरेंट्स को करना चाहिए आई लव यू साहिल ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है इट्स नॉट लाइक आई डोंट ट्रस्ट यू बट
Blindly नहीं.
ब्लाइंडली ट्रस्ट तो मैं किसी पे भी नहीं करती
Fair enough, fair enough. Yes.
Okay.
I have a question for you.
For me, okay.
Yeah. It's a 2-part question.
2-part. Syllabus लिख रहे हैं. Shit.
5
Stress,
marks
stress,
by
stress,
2.5
stress.
2.5 each
Yeah. I think the
लिख के लाइए
first
भाई वो.
हाँ मैं बता नहीं रही था कि
Oh my god.
yeah
ये मेरे साथ रहे 2 दिन से. This is why you don't blindly trust people.
okay how do you think I've evolved in the last few years and
तो
how
मेरा
can I
question
be
था.
a better friend to you
A better friend to me.
yeah
Oh my god.
because I
God,
know
ये तो
now
tough
I live
है.
abroad I know I also have an answer for you how can you be a better friend to me
Oh my god.
that is get a US visa and visit me
Oh
but
my god.
yeah
That's such a dumb answer. मेरा भी
बेचारी को यूएस वीजा ही नहीं
मेरे
मिला
को
है यार.
टेंशन हो गई.
yeah
How you evolved as a person. Okay. I think one of your most evolved things that has happened is your ego has reduced a lot. And I think you've put a conscious effort into doing that. She used to be the kind of person that if she's annoyed at you, पर वो तुम्हें ब्लॉक कर देगी. तुम्हें भाई वो बात नहीं करेगी. कोई बहुत ही छोटी बात भी हो सकती है. ऐसी कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं होएगी.
Okay.
तुम 25 बार कॉल करोगे फोन नहीं उठाएगी. मतलब आई हैव सीन हर डूइंग दिस टू पीपल. आई थिंक एक बार शायद हमारी लाई थी तो इसने मेरे साथ भी किया था. ठीक है. एंड she would realize later that it was more of ego than of actual reasoning of what she was doing, especially if she wants to keep people in life, because I think you end up losing people because people will get tired, right? So I think that has been a good, really good evolvement that you've done. How can you be a better friend? I think you can visit more too, but I think you're a pretty decent friend, honestly.
Pretty decent friend. Okay.
I
He
don't
doesn't
have any.
insult
I don't
decent.
have any complaints, honestly, as such. I mean, I do have the complaints of our physical distance, but that's not really your fault. So,
Yeah.
I would.
I think with Savneet and I feel that we have come to a place
Yeah.
where I think nothing can shake our friendship. And
Yeah.
a lot of people told me, like the person who I stopped talking to this year, whenever I'd like talk about my friends, well, there's no way that whoever is in my life does not know about Savneet, Disha, Pari, my Masi. Like they know about these people.
Yeah.
And I have so much fondness for them that they come up in the conversation all the time. And they've told me that it's okay, grow old, you'll know, things change. But I
अरे,
think
no.
with her, I
Yeah.
know for sure that kuch bhi ho jaye.
And it
just
took us
doesn't
a while
matter.
together, which is why now I don't have complaints. I have had complaints. We've had our conversations that, you know, you can do this better.
But it doesn't matter. Like it never risks the friendship in any place. It's just a conversation कि ये नहीं पसंद आया, वो नहीं पसंद आया.
हाँ.
But more than anything, coming back to the point of giving that you were telling about Savi, I feel that Savi's USP. Like the way Savi is a friend
Yeah.
to people, I don't think she should ever change that, but she should just
limit the
restrict
people.
who she lets in, because she's open to everyone, and that's like that depletes her own energy, and
Yeah.
then she's not like a good friend to her friends that she should be a good friend to.
That's what I've
Especially-
changed this year.
Yeah. So I think the way she is, the giving person that she is, I love that about her. And I think it's a privilege to be Savneet's friend.
I would
And-
definitely want to add to this.
Yeah.
Again, guys, नजर मत लगाना, but I always wanted a sister. Always, मुझे बचपन से था कि भाई
फिर आपकी
मुझे
बहन तो है.
नहीं,
भाई है
भाई
भाई
है
का.
मेरा भाई है. So I always wanted a sister, and इस घर में मुझे I found a sister. Like we never tell each other we're sister-in-laws. We're actually sisters.
हाँ, इस एपिसोड में बोला क्योंकि इसको
Because we
बहन
just
बोलना
wanted
था.
to,
तो
yeah. But yeah, actually, I think I'm truly blessed to be in this household.
yeah. But that was actually
Love
my.
you, Savi.
Yay.
Okay, guys, I have last question for you guys, which was this was technically my question, which you decided last night, which you.
I
played.
thought you will criticize me when I said how I evolved, probably like being a little absent or something like that.
No,
I did
but
not
we've
expect
all
you to
been,
like
like-
say something nice.
But you have reduced your ego,
Yeah. Yeah.
and you've like you know, yeah. So anyway, last question before we end the yearly review. You've known me for 3 years, approx 3.5 years. You've known me for more than 10 years now.
Yeah.
I want both of you to tell me how I've evolved as a person.
How you have evolved as a person. Okay. First of all, now you have boundaries. You've learned to say no, and I think you were a little selfish earlier. Now you become the selfless person that you were always, meant to be.
I think that happens when you're with the wrong person.
Yeah, maybe. You did get a little selfish in between, and that caused a lot of problems. But that's okay. We all go through. Now you're back to being you. Your energy has become very, how do you say, like you're always very optimistic about things, and I love that. She's a very good team player. Like I think I hate doing things alone now, because I bond and we do things like we do all
Yeah,
Papi we do together, and there are a lot of things that we do together, and I actually like doing that. we've also worked in a setting before and it did not work out at
But
all.
we had 8 people working together, so
Yeah, that did not work out, but also like we were given a specific, you know, thing where we had to do together. So at that time I did not enjoy it at all because probably your mental health was very affected. But now, like now, I absolutely love doing everything with her, whether it's dressing up, whether it's, you know, meeting her friends, making her meet my friends. Like there's a whole ecosystem that we have built in this house. Like there's a literal our house in this whole house. Like we have our own house in this own. I think you get that.
yeah.
So yeah, I think these things have definitely changed, and you've become a better friend for sure.
What about you?
Wow.
Thanks.
I think everything she said, plus I feel that I think she's happier now in some sense.
Yes.
Of course, she's had her own struggles, but I also know her from like a very, very different phase. So I think now she's a very happier, confident, less people pleasing person. And I also
Took
feel
me a while.
she's also had a very hard time with her career. Like I'm very happy that she's a pilot now. Like not now, but like she's a pilot. But I think navigating that whole journey has been extremely hard. But she's been
Yes.
so positive throughout, and like if I was in her place, I could easily slip into depression in some way, because these are things out of
But
her
that's what I
control.
give credits to you guys for,
Yeah.
because it was very like okay to talk about these things because I had these friendships going on.
Probably, but still I think I also feel now again,
And my parents, like to
Yeah.
not be working for an year and figure out things and them waiting to me to figure out, or like we're just waiting for things to stable. And now that I have like a full-time stable job, to them also, like they never made me feel like, oh no, you need to work right now and you know you need to figure it out right now, and like if you can't find that job, you go do something else. Like they were like, chill, it's life, you're just 25, it'll happen, like it's fine.
yeah.
So
So I think like the way you've handled your career over the years with difficulty every
true.
step of the way. Like literally since 12th grade, you wanted to become a journalist and then a lawyer and I don't know what all, giving CLAT. So I think, and then a pilot and then humanities, switching,
Giving
type
maths and physics
rating.
exams again.
And I don't even know these things, but I know all of it because I think we've been on that journey. And I
Yeah.
think it's extremely hard to have it hard every step of the way. For example, it was hard for me in the US. But for her, it was hard since
Every
12th
year,
grade.
yeah.
So still sticking to what she wants to do and being positive, being happier, taking care of herself. I think all of these things are like immense growth that I see, and I'm extremely proud of you.
Thanks guys, I'm emotional.
Disgusting.
इतनी तारीफ करने के बाद तो आई
Yeah.
एक्सपेक्ट कि साविया मेरे लिए भाग के कोई अच्छा सा गिफ्ट लेके आए.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
भाई अभी जॉब लगी है, एक
अभी-
पहली सैलरी तो आनी है। इसी महीने आएगी।
Oh yes, on that note guys, अब पापी 2 लोग सपोर्ट करेंगे, सिर्फ एक नहीं.
All right, I think that was our yearly review,
Yep.
and,
And,
we'll see you next year.
Yes, we'll see you. This was the last pop that we did today by talking about our feelings for each other. And I hope you guys like this episode. And we'll see you in the new year. Happy New Year, guys. Bye, bye, bye.